Starting with the holy name of Allah Almighty, may Allah shower His endless blessings on Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his progeny. May ease in the reappearance of our last Imam, Imam Mahdi. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you people are doing good. I am here with a very important message for all of you. If you want to live a happy life, a life that is full of love, a life that is full of blessings and peace, then you have to follow some simple steps in your life. And in today's lecture, I am going to share these 5 simple steps with you. If you practice these steps, you will see a very positive and a blissful change in your life. First step is make a strong connection with the holy book Quran Majid. If you can't recite a surah per day or a page of Quran Majid per day, then at least make it a habit to recite one verse of Quran Majid. Understand its deep meaning and discuss it with other people too. This will help you in remembering the important messages that you have read that Allah Almighty has sent for you. Quran Majid is full of messages. Even a single word will give you a message of life. So please make it a habit to recite even a single verse of Quran Majid and understand it and think on it that what Allah Almighty wants from you. Second step is offer your prayers regularly and on their due time. It is a common observation that whenever your phone rings and you see that someone is calling you, you immediately press the yes button because you want to listen that what other person want to say to you. There may be an important message or important or useful information that will help you, that can solve your problem, that can solve your issue. So you immediately press the yes button and say hello. So when Allah is calling you 5 times a day, why don't you answer? These prayers are actually the call from your Lord and you have to answer them. If you answer Allah's call, you will see your all problems, your all worries will fade away. Third step is send blessings and greetings to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his progeny by saying a simple line, that is Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. You can say these sentences even at your workplace. Either you are walking, either you are sleeping, going to bed, either you are doing some work, either you are making assignment, or you are at your job place. These simple sentences you can say anytime. There is no condition on you, there is no limitation in it, but these simple words are actually magical words that will change your mood, that will change your behavior, that can solve your all problems. So make it a habit to sing these words again and again, either you are busy or either you are in your free time. These magical words will solve your problems. The fourth step is before going to sleep, when you are lying on your bed, wait a minute and think all about your busy day and your busy schedule. That what are your acts and what are your reactions on certain deeds. This step will help you in changing your busy and schedule routine, and you will see that when you think and ponder on your acts and deeds, you will try to make them good and even better than. Fifth and the most important step is do something for your community, do something for the betterment of humankind, do something for the people that are in your surrounding. If you do something for others, you will see that Allah Almighty shower His blessings on you, and you will see that all your worries and problems are going to away from your life because you are working for finding the peace, for finding the happiness of others. If you follow these simple 5 steps in your life, you will see a positive circle is creating around you. That positive circle will bring all the blessings, all the love and all the peace into your life. And you can live a very happy and a peaceful life. A life that have no worries, that have no issues and that have no problems. May Allah Almighty guide us towards the right path. Do remember being your prayers. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali.